Hello and welcome back to Midwich TV with myself, Mark Helliwell, on the purple couch, and today I'm pleased to be joined by Alex Curran. Alex, welcome to the couch for the first time. Don't be too nervous. How are you doing, all right?
Yeah, good. Yourself?
Yeah, good stuff. So, Alex, tell us a little bit about what you do within Midwich for the Smart brand.
So I'm the in-house Smart specialist here at Midwich, support with any opportunities or issues that any customers or account managers here at Midwich have. I'm just sort of on hand to help with everything, really.
You're there, you know it all.
Anything that's worth knowing.
Okay, good stuff. Smart are at Technology Exposed this year, and you're going to tell us a little bit about where they are and what they're doing.
Yeah, so they're on stand 43 this year, Mark. They're presenting their most advanced smart screen, the 7000 series.
Oh yes, I've heard about this.
So it's their all-in-one solution, plug and play with IQ module.
Yeah, almost out of the box.
Yeah, straight up there.
Yeah.
Obviously there's facilities if you want to connect to a laptop, but it can be used via the IQ module to surf the internet and use the software direct from that.
Okay, well. Tell us a little bit more about some of the specific features of this product, because I know there's a lot going on.
Yeah, so three key ones I'd like to mention would be the object awareness.
How does that work?
So students or teachers come up to the board, use their palm as an eraser, use their fingers as the arrow, or sort of the pen directly onto the screen.
Okay, is this unique or?
Yeah, this is unique to Smart. It really helps us at Midwich sell it with the key USPs of this. Also, we've got Pen ID, which is again unique to Smart. If you walk up with a red pen, it will write in red. The same with green and blue, and also black, which can help students sort of differentiate between different students' work and help the teachers understand where they're at learning.
So if they're all using the screen at the same time?
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha.
Sort of, yeah, so and also we've got 16 simultaneous touch points, which is a lot of touch points. Sort of.
We've got 5 fingers.
Yeah, exactly. So plenty of students can get up there and work at the same time, so you can have sort of whole classrooms, smaller groups, or even individual learning.
Okay, so obviously, really, we need to come and see this product because we talk about it till we're blue in the face. But you've got to see, feel, and touch this product. We do demos, don't we, with our external team? But clearly, Smart are going to be at Technology Exposed. It's on the 5th and 6th of September. If you haven't registered already, please register at www.technology-exposed.com. Alex will be there, the Smart team will be there. We urge you to come along, see Smart, find out all the good stuff that's going on and all the other products that are going to be at the show. Thanks very much, Alex.
Cheers.
See you soon. Thanks.